Joining me now is Nate Hochman, ISI Fellow at National Review. Nate, first of all, big kudos for you for getting at least a little of that video, because that is one of the most pathetic things I've ever seen. Georgetown Law School used to be a great place. If that's the dean of students, I have no words at this point. Parents, save your tuition dollars. What is going on at Georgetown? What's happening there?
Well, Laura, what we're seeing at Georgetown is an elite institution, a once great institution, as you said, where the inmates run the asylum now. I mean, Ilya Shapiro's tweet, sure, we can talk about how it might have been worded better, but what it was voicing was a fundamentally true principle, and a principle that was uncontroversial in American life until 5 minutes ago, which is that Supreme Court nominees should be selected on the basis of their merits and their competency rather than the color of their skin. And what we've seen at Georgetown Law, rather than law students defending equality under the law, is a complete meltdown and a capitulation by the dean of students and the rest of the administrators, like we saw in that video, where they are trying to appease these radical students and give them everything that they're demanding, rather than actually standing up for basic constitutional principles like equality under the law.
Nate, I don't know whether to laugh or cry. I mean, other than crying, I mean, you have to laugh, because I want to show the audience another moment that you captured.
Coming back to this reparation thing, because like this is great, but we have to do so much work to catch up for all this stuff that we missed. All I'm saying is, I don't know if it's a couple dinners or lunches or something, but that would help us, because I can't go home for lunch now because I need to study.
We have food on the way.
Oh, good. Okay.
Wait a second. Is the dean of students or whoever's in that room actually catering, literally catering to the student protesters? And the food is reparations? I couldn't follow that at all.
Yeah, it's the kind of thing that you would laugh at if it wasn't a top 15 law school in the country, and if these students weren't the kinds of people who are going to be running our country pretty soon, right? These are the people who are going to be in our big law firms. They're going to be running for office. They're going to be staffing our NGOs, and their bad behavior is actively being rewarded by the dean, who is terrified of his students. They're demanding food. This is not behavior that is becoming of any human functioning adult, let alone people who are ostensibly our future leaders. And it is being sanctioned and appeased by the Georgetown Law Administration, which I think is shameful.
The woke, wimpy, white left, right? That's what I read somewhere on Twitter today. And that was from a liberal. Nate, great that you got that video. Thank you so much.